Good morning, my friends. It's Tuesday, May 26th, and today we're going to be working in this video on our calendar, our math, and our spelling review words. We are going to be doing some sorting of shapes, so you're going to need to find some shape objects in your house that you can do some sorting with, and we're going to do some in my house with some shapes that I have. Our number of the day is number 24, and we're going to be listening to a story that is all about mammals. And we're going to write an opinion writing piece. What is your favorite mammal and why? We're going to have a beginning, 3 reasons, and a nice ending to our reason, our opinion writing piece about why your mammal is the best mammal. Remembering that all the features we're going to learn about mammals when we're listening to our story about mammals will help us when we're adding the reasons why we like our mammal the best. We're doing in geometry, 2D sets, 2D shape sorting, and it will be a lot of fun. Please go ahead and grab your math calendar with me. We're going to do calendar, number of the day, and we're also going to do our spelling. So if you need to pause the video to get your supplies, go right ahead. Starting, my friends, with calendar, we're still in May. So we're going to be finishing up, remove those things out of our way, our coloring for May. We're going to add just one day today, the number 26. Going to notice that all the special days that we had in our month, this month so far. So if we're counting forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 26 plus 5 makes 31, which would take us to the last day of our month. Counting backwards from 26, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. 26 minus 6 equals 20, which takes us to one of our no school days. 7 days. 26 minus 7 would equal 19, would take us to another one of our no school days. And 26 minus 8 would take us to Victoria Day. We can count backwards to Mother's Day to see how far back it would have been. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's not correct. That should be 16 days. I must have skipped a jump there. Let's try that again. 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps. 4 jumps, 5 jumps, 6 jumps, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's much better. So 26 minus 16 equals 10. We can use our number of the day and our calendar just like a number line, but you need to remember that when you jump from this number to this number, you jump just one jump to get there. That's how I made that first mistake. Go ahead and color for me the number 26 on your tulip. It should be starting to become finished. And today is a cloudy day at my house. Might even have some rain later. If it's already raining at your house, you go ahead and put on a rainy tally mark. And for a cloudy day, I need my nice black color. There's no blue in my sky right now, but if you've got some blue sky and clouds, you might use brown for a partly cloudy day. And if it is raining already at your house, you might use blue for your rainy day. Join me after your calendar is done to find your next empty number of the day page. And I said our number of the day was 24. You might notice our number of the day yesterday was 12, and you might know that 12 plus 12 equals 24. Again, it is an even number, and we can get there counting by 2, so count along with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. That means that it is an even number, my friends. The number word is 24. It's 2 words, so we need 20, tw, n, t, e with a y, 20, and then we need the word for. The number word for has an O-U-R, F-O-U-R. So T-W-E-N-T-Y for 20, F-O-U-R for 4. In tally marks, I'm going to need at least 20 tally marks, so that is 5, 10, 15, 20, and then I need only 4 more. Putting 24 in the middle of my numbers here, 1 less is a jump back, counting backwards. 24 minus 1 is 23. 1 more, jumping forward. 24 plus 1 is 25. In 10 frames, I'm going to need 2 full 10 frames for the 20, and I'm going to need another 10 frame for the 4. So I'm going to squeeze in 3 10 frames. And then I can use 30 as my subtraction for my subtraction equation. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 2 full 10 frames for 20. 10 plus 10 is 20. And I need 4 more to show 24. I'm going to put 24 in the middle of my number line and mark it and then count forward to see how big this segment is. 24 to 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And backwards 23, 22, 21, 20, 19. So I can use some of these numbers in my equations today. I could say 19 plus how many jumps to get to 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 19 plus 5 equals 24. Or I could do a subtraction equation from 29. How many jumps backwards to get to 24? 29, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 29 minus 5 equals 24. In place value blocks, I need 2 long 10 rods, and I need 4 more separate little blocks. Nice job, my friend. In dice dots, I know that 24 is 12 plus 12, and I know 12 is 2 sixes, so I could easily do 4 dice dots that each have 6. You can do your dice dots with any dice pictures you want, as long as they add up to 24 when you're finished. 6 and 6 is 12, and 6 more is 18, and 6 more is 24. Counting forward from 24, I'd have 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. And counting backwards from 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17. My picture, I'm just going to do, I think, some sets of 6, so I can do it very quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It gives me a really nice ordered, it's called an array, of 4 rows with 6 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I have a number bond. I'm just going to flip my book because I'm getting stuck on that little leg there. 24 goes in the big part of my number bond, and I can break it into 2 pieces. I think I'm going to do the 12 and 12. So I've got 12 on top and 12 on the bottom. 24 goes in the top part of my whole part, and I think I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 sets of 12, 3 sets of 6, and then 6 more. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 plus 6 equals 24. I'm going to use my number line to make a subtraction question from 29 minus, jumping back, remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 29 minus 5 equals 24. And I'm going to use my 10 frames to make a subtraction question from 30. And I see there are 6 empty, so 30 minus 6 would equal 24. For addition, I can use any of these questions I want. I could say 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4. I could say 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. I could say 12 plus 12. I could say 19 plus 5. I think I'll use the 19 plus 5 using my number line. And I think I'll do the double of 12 plus 12, just to remind myself that there is a double. Thank you, my friends. Our spelling word review for today. Grab your whiteboard or a piece of paper to write them with me very nice and neatly. You can practice any way that you want. But our spelling words for today are 5 words from our list, and we start with the word or. It's 2 short letters, an O, which is a secret C letter that closes, and an R, which is a short bounce letter. So down, up with a short bounce over for the word or. Our next word is the word one. It starts exactly the same as that with a C-shaped O and a bouncing, not R, keep going all the way down for a full bounce to make your N. Out, up, and around for 1 for the number 1. Not I won a race, but the number 1. Our next word is the word had. It is a tall letter and it bounces all the way down, bounces back up and over. A is a secret C letter, around and up and down. And D is a secret C letter that goes around and up all the way to the top and back down. So around, all the way up and back down. Our next word is the word by. It is a bounce letter for a B, straight down, up, and around. It has a Y, which looks just like a V. and then a tail attaches on. Don't pick up your pencil in between. And our last one is the word words. W-O-R-D-S. Remember, these are review words, so we have done them already at least once or twice, and we're working on learning them still. So go ahead, the word or, one, had, by, and words, and you are going to be practicing those any way you want for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 15 minutes, using tiles, magnetic letters, pipe cleaners, chalk, fancy letters, rainbow letters, whiteboard writing on paper. Have a wonderful Tuesday.